Hello friends, welcome back to HLOOKUP Learning. Today I will show you how to use the HLOOKUP formula to quickly find particular product data. Okay, let's get started. Here's our data set. We have product names in the top row. Below them are product code, quantity and sales. Our goal is simple. When we select a product like monitor, Excel will automatically show its quantity and sales. First, we will create a drop-down list to choose the product easily. Click on the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. For example, I will click on the cell C6 under Product. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon. Select Data Validation. In the Data Validation window under Allow, choose List. In the source box, select the range of cells with product names. Here it's B1 to J1. Click OK. Now you have a neat drop-down list. Let's test it. Click on the cell and choose a product. It works. Next, we will use the HLOOKUP formula to find quantity and sales for the selected product. Let's start with quantity. Select the cell where you want to display the quantity. Type this formula. Here's how it works. C6, the cell where you select your product. B1 to J4, the table range containing your data. 3 specifies Excel to pull sales data from the third row. False ensures an exact match for accuracy. Now hit enter and the quantity appears instantly. Now to get the sales, repeat the steps. Select the cell below quantity. Type this formula. Here 4 tells Excel to look at sales in the fourth row. Hit enter and Excel gives you the sales. Boom! We have successfully used HLOOKUP to pull quantity and sales based on the selected product. Go ahead and choose a different product from the drop-down list. Let's pick GPU. Watch how Excel automatically updates the quantity and sales. This is the magic of HLOOKUP combined with data validation. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to HLOOKUP Learning for more beginner-friendly Excel tips. Thanks for watching.